ஊதி itself. Okay. So ஒரு ஊதிக்கு என்ன ஒரு பவுண்டரி இருக்கும். இதே சின்ன சைஸ் நம்ம அழுத்தி பிடிச்சிட்டோம் அப்படினா அங்க இருக்காது. Boundaries disappear. Okay. Boundary disappear and its dynamics also disappear. எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஃபுல்லா மெர்ஜ் ஆகி ஒரு பிள்ளைக்கு மாதிரி போகு மாதிரி. Okay. அதேதான் இங்கேயும் ஒரு big size molecule ஒரு nano size molecule ஒரு வித்தியாசம். In a big size molecules, the atoms are arranged grains like a grains. It should be having the definite boundary. It should be having the definite shape itself, but its size should be reduced. What happened? The boundaries are disappeared and shapes also collapsed. Okay, so it lost its shapes and boundary. That is called defect dynamics, and this configuration is called defect configuration. Due to its property, it should be having the size, that the property is called, what is that? Size dependent properties. Due to its size dependent properties, it should be having the high mechanical strength, high toughness, high hardness, etc. Did you understand? Note it. Next one, optical property. In optical property, we have seen about two types of reason for changing the substance. If we take the gold is that yellow in color. Okay, but if the size of the gold is reduced, it should be that is the bulk size of gold. Gold is yellow in color, but if the nano size gold, it should be red in color. Okay, because due to its size differences, it's maintained reduced its size. And due to two main phenomena occurs in that. First one is the quantum confinement. Second one is the surface plasma resonance, SPR. That is called surface plasma resonance. So because of its color change is due to because of two main phenomena. First one is the quantum confinement of atoms arranged in molecules. Second one is the surface plasma resonance of the molecule. So for bulk gold color yellow in color, but nano size gold color red in color. இந்த ரெண்டு கலர் சேஞ்சுக்கு என்ன ரீசனா இருக்கு? Two phenomena is the main reason. First phenomenon is the quantum confinement of the atom, quantum confinement of the arrangement of atom. Second one is the surface plasma resonance. SPR means surface plasma resonance. See, what is quantum confinement? Quantum confinement of electron. Note first. Quantum confinement of electron. Quantum confinement of electron increasing energy level spacing. Energy level spacing. Second point, semiconductors having large energy level spacing. Semiconductor having large energy level spacing itself. Large energy level spacing itself. It absorbs photon in one dimension. It absorbs photon in one dimension and emitting another one of the dimension. And emitting another one of the dimension. It absorbs photon in one dimension. One side. solar cell. Light emitting devices in solar cell. Light emitting devices in solar cell. Smaller dot emit smaller dot emit high energy light. Smaller dot emit high energy light. High energy light. Smaller dot emit high energy light. Blue in color. You see the sky in the morning time, you should be representing that blue color because of UV wavelength. UV wavelength or anything. ரொம்ப ஹை வேவ்லென்த். அதனால தான் உங்களுக்கு ப்ளூ பார்க்க வானம் பார்க்க எப்படி ப்ளூ கலரா இருக்கு. இது ஈவினிங் பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? இட் இஸ் ரெட் இன் கலர். Because emitting the IR rays having the shorter wavelength. Okay va? அதோட கலர் என்ன? Red. So bigger dot emit. Next one. Bigger dot emit. Bigger dot means bigger molecules. Bigger dot emit lower energy light. Bigger dot emit lower energy light. That is red in color. That is red in color. See, this is a diagram of one atom having the different conduction bond itself. That is electronic conduction bond. V means vibrational level. R means rotational level itself. Okay, one atom having lot of energy squeezing energy level bonding itself. Okay, so that is E means electronic energy level. V wound up confinement effect. What is wound up confinement effect? Now in the biggest molecule, the energy levels may be having very much higher because the distance between conduction part and valence part is very much low in the biggest molecule. But in the nano-sized molecule, the energy levels may be what is that compact or merged because of its size. So what happens? The distance between conduction band and valence band is very much higher compared to that of the conduction band. That is the reason in a nano-sized molecule, observe wavelength in one dimension and it is emitted in the other one dimension. This is the reason for color change compared to the Dr. Balkast one. Best example is gold in bulk is yellow in color. Gold in red nano-sized is red in color. Notice first that effect is called, what is that? Quantum confinement effect. Next one, SPR, surface plasma resonance. Next one, SPR. SPR means surface plasma resonance. See, see, next one, surface plasma resonance. See, this is the gold nanoparticles. All the elements having the lone free electron itself. Free electron itself. This free, when the incident light is focused on the gold nanoparticle, there is an interaction between incident photon and the conduction electron. This lone free electron is called conduction electron. The electron which is free electron on the surface of the gold particle is called, what is that? Conduction electron. Okay, when the incident light is focused on the gold nanoparticle, the incident light having a lot of photon itself. Photon is also one of the subatomic particles. Okay, so it should be enriched in a which light? Incident light. Okay, so photon having the one of the subatomic particles should be enriched in a which light? Incident light. These incident photon are interaction with this incident photon or interaction with a conduction electron which is present on the surface of the gold molecule. It turns the light படிக்கிற வேலைக்கு நீ நேர்மையா இருக்கியான்னு பாரு. படிக்கும்போது கிளாஸ் நடக்கும்போது பேசாதன்னு தான் சொல்றேன். அதை கூட உன்னால ஃபாலோ பண்ண முடியாட்டி உன்னோட எத்திக்ஸ் லெவல் எந்த அளவுக்கு புவரா இருக்குன்னு நீ பார்த்துக்கோ. வெரி மச் புவர், டிசிப்ளின் வெரி மச் ஜீரோடா. நான் நீ படிச்சது லட்சமா சம்பாதிக்கலாம், அதெல்லாம் வந்து உனக்கு ஒன்றும் யூஸே கிடையாது. உன்னோட எத்திக்ஸ் லெவல் ஜீரோவா இருந்தா உன் லைஃப் nothing but having the gold nanoparticles. You are taking one of the example of gold nanoparticles. This gold nanoparticles having a free electron itself. When the instant these gold nanoparticles are based in electric field, when the instant photon is attacked on the conduction electron, is light will be turned into node or antinode. So the current will be changed from one absorbing one wavelength and emitting another one of the wavelength. So current may be changed from bulk to what is that nanosensitive particle. This reference level is called surface plasma reference. The next one is Before magnetization, electrons present in the molecules are different directions. Similarly, for nano-sized molecule having it is the smallest molecule, small number of electron is there. Before magnetization, it should be the different direction of the electron is there. After magnetization, how can we link the magnetization of the molecules? என்ன பண்ணணும்? electricity supply பண்ணணும். electricity supply பண்ணும்போது before applying the electricity, after applying the electricity apply பண்ணும்போது magnetization ஆகுது. magnetization ஆகும்போது first எப்படி இருக்கு? different direction இருக்கும். அப்புறம் ஒரே direction இருக்கும். இது பல்க்ல இருந்தா அது பேரு ஃபெரோ அப்படிம்போம். இது நேரோல இருந்தா because simple paramagnetic nature அப்படிம்போம். Okay, so in bulkous molecule what happens? Bulkous molecule the magnetization of ferromagnetization. In nanomolecule this is called super paramagnetic. Okay, first up to this one over properties of nanomaterial over. Next one preparation technique.